针对有史以来最严重的加州山火灾情，慈济美国展开第7轮的限制卡发放。在爱满地联络处，有近600户受灾家庭是一大早就来排队。雷德琳和丈夫2人已经搬了3次家。
And then when she comes back, the church has a man who has a small ADU, and we're going to probably move there for a couple months. And then after that, I don't know where we'll go, but we'll probably figure something out.
没有办法去买这个 grocery， 就是没有办法去买菜去煮饭，所以每一天都要吃外食，每一天呢都要开1-2个小时呢，不是送孩子就是要上班。
居无定所，手上也没有及时可用的现金，申请保险补助又必须等待，受灾的日子已不如过往富足无虑。而当收到限制卡，雷德琳不可置信，援助能够这么慷慨。
Donation centers, and my husband finds really nice clothing, but I have trouble finding clothing, so I do need to purchase a few things. And then we will probably use what's left of it to purchase new furniture for the house.
派翠克是大学教授，又长期在救世军工作，从没想过自己会成为需要受助的人。已经住了70多年的老家全化为乌有，来到会所时是一筹莫展。慈济人的笑容让他安心许多。
I enjoyed it, and the reason I enjoyed it, the specific reason, is because you're very holistic. You cover the whole person, biopsychosocial, spiritual. You cover the whole person. It's a very holistic ministry.
有尊严的给予，且送上真心的关怀，全场有秩序且温馨。亚太公益联合基金会特地来捐款，也见证了最动人的一刻。洛杉矶医疗保险计划医疗长同样肯定运作的流畅和志工的付出。
I can't tell you, and I wish that you were here to see it yourself, how many people are here volunteering their time on Super Bowl Sunday.A day when traditionally is filled with laughter and joy, but today is more about caring and love.
大爱新闻钱梅珍、朴妍信，美国报道。